Hey everyone, welcome back to ClickFix Tech. Today's video is all about getting your hands on a classic, Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. In this guide, we'll break down the download process step by step, so you can be cruising the streets in no time. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials and gaming content. Alright, let's jump in. First things first, open up your favorite web browser and search the Rockstar games. Open this official link, then you will be on this dashboard. Once you're there, you'll see a search bar in the corner. Type in San Andreas and hit enter. Among the results, you'll spot the game you're looking for. Click on it to open the game's page. Here, you'll get a chance to check out some sweet details and screenshots. But what we really want is that shiny Buy Now button on the left side of the screen. Give it a click. This might open in a new tab, no worries. Now, scroll down a bit and look for the option to specifically buy the PC version. Click on that and you might be prompted to sign into your Rockstar Games account. If you don't have one yet, creating one is simple. After signing in, you'll be back at that PC download option. Click on it again. Here's where you choose your payment method. Fill in your details and hit continue once you're done. Now, head back to the Rockstar Games website homepage and click on the Get Launcher button. Underneath that, you'll see a Download for Windows option. Click on that to start the download process. Once the download is complete, open your Windows Explorer and navigate to your Downloads folder. You should see the Rockstar Games launcher there. Double-click it to begin the installation. The installation process is pretty straightforward. Choose your language, click Continue, and pick a location on your computer to install the launcher. Hit Continue again, and the installation will begin. Once it's done, you can close the window, and the launcher should automatically open up. Now comes the fun part. Sign into your Rockstar Games account within the launcher. You might see other games in your library, like GTA 5 for example. But if you purchased San Andreas during the first steps, you'll see it there too, with a glorious Install button. Click on that and choose a location on your PC to install the game. After the installation is complete, you'll be greeted with a glorious Play button. That's it, folks! You're now ready to dive into the world of San Andreas and wreak some havoc, responsibly, of course. So there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully downloaded and installed Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. If you have any questions about the process, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to help out. And for more awesome tech tutorials and gaming content, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.